Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we are heading back to Bangalore. We'll be visiting two places actually. One is a falls and the other one is called Devarmane. I believe it's a viewpoint. And the other place is called Devarmane, which I believe is a viewpoint. And from Devarmane we'll be heading back directly to Bangalore. And yeah, I guess with that, hello. And yeah, today morning the fog was just something else, dude. It was absolutely mesmerizing. There was like so much fog. And right now it's like sunny and it's getting hot and hot and hot. I'm just soaking up the sun right now. So I guess with that, let's get straight into the video. So for those of you who haven't seen part 1, I would say definitely go check it out. It's the ride towards Kalasa. That has more content than this video would ever have, I believe. So yeah, just go check that out and come back here if you can. Officially getting started with today, we are heading to the fuel station. Screw it, I'll chumma go. Give company to them. I thought of giving some company to you.
You had some problem with this petrol bunk?
No. I wanted to give you company. Don't do this to me. There you go. This is for all of you. Whoa, don't shiver. I'm right here. Don't shiver. You don't have to shiver. Take it. Tinno. So those are doggy G biscuits. They aren't harmful for oh god damn it. They aren't harmful for dogs. Oi. Not that. Idu illodu. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ವೈ ಯು ಸೋ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫುಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯಿತು ಇದು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ I had only one. What can I do? I'll carry more from next time. So yeah, these biscuits aren't harmful for dogs. They're from a company called Doggy G. Like Parle G, Doggy G. Wordplay, but yeah. Fine, I'll see you. Bye. God damn it, this is so beautiful. I know I showed my face in post editing. That's breaking the fourth wall right there. But hey, little narcissistic, right? But hey, everyone's a narcissist. It's not only Deadpool who can break the fourth wall, even Motor Critic can. We stopped at this small hotel, Anil Hotel actually. We had amazing neer dosai. I had like 2 or 3 plates, I believe. 2 plates, yeah, 2 plates of neer dosai with some curry. It was amazing, man. So now we are not heading towards the falls, Kodige Falls. We're heading towards Devarmane, and from there we'll be riding to Bangalore directly. We skipped Kodige Falls because of time constraints. God damn it, look at that. Beautiful. You might have seen the spot was absolutely amazing. It had a beautiful view of the Western Ghats. Right now we are heading back to Bangalore. It's around 1:30 p.m. right now, and yeah, we're gonna take our own sweet time back to Bangalore. Bangalore's around 280 something kilometers, I believe, or 300, could be 300. Mr. Ahipa, how do you feel?
Feels great.
The artwork and the artist. ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇರಿ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, I saw it fall on your left foot, that's why I'm telling.
All good?
Say cheese. No, turn. You turn. Use your butt to lift it. Yeah. Stand. கியர்ல இருக்குல்ல, இருங்க இல்லை ஆஃப் பண்ணி ஆன் பண்ணு. இல்லை ஒரு நிமிஷம் இரு. பாத்தியா, அது தானா ஆஃப் ஆனதுனால ட்ரிங்க் சம் வாட்டர். ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ನೈಸ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್ though.
I just left the bike down. I have bike down.
What the just happened? GoPro froze and here I am. Absolutely stupid camera. What terrible camera is this, man? When did you start? I never clicked on you, god damn it. When did you start? Aww, puppies. Yeah, see? I didn't even start that. What happened to... God damn it, dude. GoPro, just fix your goddamn cameras, man. Fix your goddamn cameras. You're paying so much money just to get this shit. Look at that, it's still powering off and it's not powering off. God damn it, you guys still make terrible cameras, man. I don't know why you even launch new cameras every year thinking, oh, it's gonna be revolutionary, when you can't even fix the goddamn cameras yourself. Sorry for the rant, but yeah, this is the truth. This is the absolute truth. Well, the traffic has set in, hence I know I'm quite close to Bangalore. With that, I'd like to conclude this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and you know the drill: like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So with that, I'd like to conclude this video. Yeah, so with that, I'd like to conclude this video. Tipper lorry, go to the side. Thank you. Ahipa, world is my territory.
What?
World is my territory.
Why?
Territory. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾನರ್ಘಟ್ಟ. ಹಾಂ, ನೀವು? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೊಸೂರು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ, 80 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಫೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ಹ್ಞೂ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ. ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಂ, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಸರಿ, ಬಾಯಣ್ಣ.